Have you ever wondered if a game from 2002 could be perfectly recreated? We are diving into how Mafia Definitive Edition honors its legacy. In 2020, Hangar 13 and 2K released Mafia Definitive Edition, a complete remake of the original 2002 title that serves as the fourth entry in their series. Unlike many modern updates, this remake focuses on faithful recreation, expanding the original story and gameplay while restoring the classic atmosphere of a legendary mob saga. The developers tackled this legend with a post-launch update that addressed fan concerns, proving that the studio known for controversial titles can still deliver quality. We get expanded gameplay mechanics and a newly orchestrated score, but most importantly, the narrative remains deeply emotional with themes of betrayal and loyalty intact. The value extends beyond this single title. Owning Definitive Edition unlocks exclusive items like Tommy's suit and cab for Mafia 2 and 3rd Definitive Editions. Ultimately, this is a gripping mob story with a heartbreaking end that nails the classic formula, offering a genuine masterpiece of game design. This remake proves that respect for the source material creates lasting art. Which mob movie or game inspires you most? Tell us in the comments.